Hey MelBellas, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be creating this look for you guys. This is like for Valentine's Day. That's why I did it. I know Valentine's Day isn't till a couple weeks, but maybe some of you guys need some help getting prepared or ready. In this video I use my Huda Beauty Huda Beauty Nude palette, sorry. And yeah, it came out really nice. The eyelashes I use, all the information are included in the video, but they're by Araceli. They're called CHUY. And yeah, they are absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, like I said, continue to watch and see how this look turns out. Okay guys, so I already went and I did my face. I put my foundation, concealer, and did my eyebrows. So I'm actually just gonna hop into doing the Valentine's Day look that I want to create for you guys. I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Nude palette. This palette, I know I say like every one of my palettes is my favorite, and as they should be. This is one of my favorites as well. So these are the colors that come in this palette. Super pretty. I'm gonna use more of like these colors right here just so that it matches my shirt. Tickle, Daydream, Lace, Play, Tease, Secret, all right here. This right here is actually, it's called Conceal, and it's actually a concealer. So when you want to do like the lighter portion of your eyes after putting on your eyeshadow, you actually just go right on in with this color or this here, and it will bring out these sparkles. So yeah, that's what we're going to be using today. I also did yet another package in the mail from Araceli. As you know, I did a makeup tutorial using the Araceli Jalisco palette, and I just bought their gel pencil and their liquid eyeliner and the CHUY eyelashes. So I'm super excited to use these. She had a 20% off this week, so I hopped on it like that to get myself one. The packaging is always sent so cute. It comes obviously in a bigger bag, but she seals them in here, and she always puts thing of stickers. Isn't that cool? Like, I already have 2 stickers. I don't know where the other one is. I have to look for it, but this is the one I just got in this package. And she also puts in a mini tajin. Like, who doesn't love tajin? So I have 2 of these now. Thank you, Araceli. Amazing. So let's hop right on in to do our eyes. I've been using the Jaclyn Hill brushes, and so far these are my absolute favorite brushes to use. So I recommend you go get some. I bought some for my cousin for Christmas because she needed a little upgrade on some brushes, so I went ahead and I helped her out. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to go in with the color Bear. It's going to be here in the corner. And what I'm going to do with that color is I'm actually just going to apply it all over my eye so that we get just one nice shade before we start going in with all of our other colors. I'm going to go in with the color Secret right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to run it along above my crease. And so Secret looks like it's like a brownish color, as you can see, but there's actually like a tint of pink from what I'm seeing. Okay, and I'm gonna go in with the color right here. It's called Tickle, and I'll tickle it on in between my crease right here. Some people like to do just like one eye first, but I like to do both at the same time. I'm not telling you guys have to do that. That's just what I do. It's just easier for me. Okay, so this is new, and I'm gonna go in now with conceal, and then I'm gonna start applying it all from here to there. Now what we're gonna do is, there you are. I'm gonna go in with this color. It's called Daydream. What I noticed with these colors is a lot of breakage, so just, yeah. Put that over your entire lid. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at that. Now I'm gonna go in with like a thinner blending brush. And do you remember that color we used in the beginning, right here, Tickle? I'm gonna go back in with that color, and I'm gonna go in above right here. Okay, now I'm gonna start under my eye. I'm gonna go back in with Secret. I'm gonna start blending that under my eye. And then with Tickle again, I'm gonna go in just to right here. And then with that, with another thin brush, something like this, I'm gonna go back. Actually, I'm gonna use the color Crave right here. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with Crave, and with Crave, I'm going to go in my tear duct here. So what we want now is to lighten this part here, our brow bone, and I'm going to go in and I'm gonna use from my Dream Sigma palette the color Libra and go in on my brow bone. Now, using my liquid eyeliner by Araceli, I'm going to do my wing. There's my wing. And just so you know, this is water resistant, so this will last a while. And now, using my gel eyeliner, I'm gonna go in and do under my, right here. Okay, now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna use my CHUY eyelashes. Okay, so we're almost done with this look. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some bronzer. Can't talk, guys, sorry. So I'm gonna apply some bronzer, and because my daughter did my makeup earlier, she moved everything around. There you are. Okay. Bronzer to my cheeks. And now for some blush. Can I just tell you how obsessed I am with this little set that I have here that I had gotten for Christmas? I did another makeup tutorial also using this, and this color right here, it's beautiful. So apply some blush to your cheek. Highlighter. This is Anastasia Amrezy highlighter, and as I always say, look at that. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. Posiek lip liner. Posiek lip gloss. Okay guys, so this is it. Hope you guys like it. I love it. I love my eyelashes. Super beautiful. Thank you so much, MelBellas, for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please comment below, like, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what else you guys want to see.